What's up, guys? Happy Christmas morning. Today's December 25th. Not so white of a Christmas out there, but nonetheless, it's time to go to some family get-togethers. Got a bunch of gifts for all the little kids, a little bit of wine for the adults, a couple odds and ends, more LCBO, a little bit of pie and some ice cream. Might do a little editing while we're out there. Stay tuned. Cool video coming. All right, so I've got to go to a family get-together this afternoon. So today's video is just going to be a complete POV of me driving down there and give you guys a bunch of nice engine sounds and a little lay of the land of what's going on in Toronto.
P2.
Christmas afternoon and it's awfully rainy out. Awfully rainy. What a bummer of a day. We'll still give you the POV today. Just don't know how hard we're going to be driving the car. A little bit dicey for this car. We'll see. We'll get some heat into the tires and we'll see how we go. Driving in comfort because it's so slippery right now. We're just stop, start. Exhaust is...
1 mile, turn left.
That's exhaust closed. Still alright. This car really rides hard. Feel every bump. Get that sports car suspension. Really beats you up. Effortless power. Effortless power. Here's my traction control. Completely off. That would be stupid for today. I always leave it at 5. We're good there. Put it back on. Traction control back on. Thank God. I'll smack it into Sport. I'll put it in Sport Plus and try and get it a little squirrely here. It'll probably be really squirrely coming around this corner. Just gotta be real careful. Oh baby, careful. Don't do too much. Don't do too much. That's a little press. Such a beast. Downshift.
1 mile, exit right.
Not a lot of cars on the road because of the holidays, but you can really hear this engine.
everybody's going to the mall.
Quarter of a mile. Exit right. Exit right. In 0.1 of a mile, keep right. Exit right. In half a mile, turn left. In a quarter of a mile, turn left. Turn left.
Oh, baby, on them brakes. Give you race mode for the last bit. Race mode. It just revs a little higher, a little aggressive on the shifts. If it's not already aggressive, it's more aggressive. Oh, I can feel it just fucking pushing me back. A few more crackles. Crackles and pops. We like our crackles and pops.
Turn right. You have reached your destination.